Oh, hi guys. Dino, what are we gonna do with these bell peppers?
Stuffed.
Stuffed with the Abruzzo stuffing. It's a good idea. Let's do it.
Yeah.
The ingredients for stuffed bell peppers are extra virgin olive oil, pepe trito if you have it available, breadcrumbs, black pepper, salt, garlic, Italian sausage, parmigiano, chopped tomato, oregano, chopped zucchini, pecorino, onions, parsley, basil, and of course, bell peppers. So we're gonna be making now stuffed bell pepper. So we're gonna cut this very long pepper in order to fit it in our terracotta pot. This one here. We're gonna clean it up, take all the seeds out. We don't like seeds. Put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin, of course. Make sure everything is well lubricated with extra virgin olive oil. Then we're gonna take our Abruzzo stuffing, which you can find on abruzzocibus.com on our blog. You can find the recipes, see the cooking instructions and measurements and everything. We're gonna stuff it nice and compact real well. Then we're gonna add this very watery tomato, crushed tomatoes with lots of tomato juice. We're gonna put a nice layer at the bottom because it needs to be nice and humid when we're gonna cook it, otherwise it gets too dry. Then we're gonna add a little more salt and pepper and olive oil to flavor the tomato sauce, and a tiny bit of garlic for the extra oomph. Olive oil, a little basil to flavor our tomato sauce. Very simple ingredients. And then we're gonna place our bell pepper. Then put more olive oil on top. And then we put finishing touch with a little bit of tomato juice on top. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for
35-40 minutes, 375 Fahrenheit.
Yes. So, this is a stuffed bell pepper, delicious. You can find this recipe on abruzzocibus.com under recipes in our blog. Enjoy.